Southbound Tree and Landscape. Owned and operated by Sean Kroll, Certified Arborist, PN 6626A. Find out more about us at southboundtree.com. Call us at 360-584-5664. Today we're finishing a job loading western red cedar, salvaged from storm damage 2 years ago. 36-inch western red cedar broke at 60 feet, landing on the house. The homeowners decided to remove the rest of the tree at this point. This wood will be taken to the mill. A local Wood-Mizer bandsaw mill operator will cut it into dimensional lumber for various projects, outdoor furniture, decking, fence boards, etc. We try to make sure nothing goes to waste.